App development is an ever-evolving field, always changing at lightning speed, and if you're an app developer, you know the importance of great tools. Here are the 5 tools that can elevate your app development game. Firebase Tools. These Google-backed tools simplify backend management, expedite code deployment, and enhance app security. Android Virtual Device tests your apps on multiple virtual Android devices, ensuring compatibility and performance across different OS versions and hardware specifications. CodeMagic tools streamline Flutter app development with automated build, test, and deployment processes. Ionic tool accelerate hybrid app development using HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript to build interactive apps for multiple platforms. Appery tools simplify the creation of progressive web apps and hybrid mobile applications and leverage intuitive features for efficient app development. With these 5 tools, you can boost productivity, ensure robust app performance, and stay ahead of all. Ready to level up your game? Visit Hurix Digital for more insights and expert support on your app development journey.